How to fix mobile data not working on Android phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix mobile data not working on Android. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. To fix mobile data not working on your Android, you could try these steps. Make sure you're in an area with a good signal for your mobile network. You could also try restarting. So for that, you simply want to make sure to hold on to your side buttons. Here it is. And once you do it so, you could go ahead and click on restart, and that should be able to help you out. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you could also check whether you have enabled flight mode or not. For that, you want to simply swipe down, and here you could actually locate whether the flight mode is toggled on or not. Once you have disabled it, that should be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on, that verify that the mobile data is toggled on in your device. So for that, you want to simply go to settings, and then you want to actually come to this network and internet, and here you could go and make sure to select whether there is any sort of issues or not. If the issue still persists on, what next you could do is you could actually go ahead and try resetting. So for that, you want to come to this network and internet section once again, and you want to go to internet, and here you could actually go ahead and click on the gear icon, and you could actually go ahead and make sure to enable all of this as well. To reset, you want to come to the settings, and you want to simply make sure to go ahead and click on a reset. You could type in reset as well on the search box. Go ahead and make sure to click on reset option, and you want to simply go ahead and make sure to select reset mobile network settings, and you could go ahead and click on reset. That should be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on, what next you could also do is you could also try removing and reinserting the SIM card. You could ensure you have a sufficient balance with your mobile network provider. That should be able to help you out as well. Or else, if not, you could then try updating your phone. Ensure that the phone is running to a latest Android version, and that should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.